Electric Power Frunk Kit integrates seamlessly with the official mobile app, as well as center touchscreen controls for automatic open and close functionality of the Frunk. Our auto door handles pop up automatically, greeting you with a dazzling light show. Choose from sleek single-color or vibrant multicolor options. But that's not all. Experience the future with our laser-engraved ambient lighting. 45,000 luminous points create a mesmerizing glow, transforming your Tesla's interior into a luxurious oasis. Starlink Cross-Tail Lights, where sophistication meets illumination. Turn heads and command the road with our highly sophisticated design. The Starlink Cross-Tail Lights don't just illuminate, they captivate. Along with the simple pilot light and rear bumper reflector taillights, because safety should never compromise style.